Hello guys, what's up? How are you all doing? Welcome to another episode. But this is not much like an episode. A lot of people have been asking me recently, where can I learn data science from? What should I learn? Data science or data analysis? I want to learn R, I want to learn Python. I don't know anything yet. Where do I start? Where can I find tutorials? Guys. This is the answer to all of this. This is the ultimate answer. Go on to datacamp.com and all your problems are solved. Basically, DataCamp is a edutech website that teaches you everything that requires you to be an entry level, a junior, or an expert level data science expert, data analysis, and a lot more data related pathways or careers like, you know, statistician, data engineer, machine learning scientist, basically. And it teaches you a lot more, I would say complementary skills, if I'm going to put it that way, like data visualization, statistics fundamental, OpenAI fundamentals, machine learning, natural language processing, which, is what the almighty ChatGPT is based off. You could basically go here, set up a website. The beautiful thing about DataCamp is DataCamp has this gamified experience. The instructions are clear, short, and at every point you're given this task to assess your skill, and then you feel like you're really learning and you're able to achieve something. So basically, the best way to learn is learn by doing. So that is basically what DataCamp has achieved. So guys, go over here, explore. There's a paid part to it, but the free part goes a long way. And when you've gotten to the part where you think you can pay, definitely go for it. Okay, guys, I think that answers the whole questions about data science and all of that. All right, guys, see you in the next one.